Hi. So we haven't filmed one of these videos in a while. And today I thought that we'd make Red Lobster biscuits. I found this in my cupboard and Cameron's never tried them.
Hi.
He's never tried them. You love biscuits, right?
Yeah, I do like my carbs.
But you don't like seafood, so you never tried them.
Mm-mm.
These are the most amazing things in the world. They're let's see how many calories. It says 150. But
Per biscuit.
150 calories, 10 servings per container.
Makes 10 biscuits, yeah. So 150 per biscuit.
That was less calories than I thought. I thought they were 300. Anyway. Yes, shall we begin? I think we shall. So, ingredients. Let's read them off. 3/4 cup cold water. 1/2 cup shredded sharp cheese. 1 pouch cheddar bay biscuit mix. Enclosed. 1/4 cup butter. 1 pouch garlic herb blend. That seems pretty simple. Directions. 1. Stir together water, cheese, and biscuit mix until dough forms. Do not overmix. 2. Scoop dough immediately into 8 portions, about 1/4 each a cup. 1/4 cup each. And place 2 inches apart onto prepared baking sheet. 3. Bake for 14 to 16 minutes or under golden brown on top. Melt butter in a microwave-safe bowl and add garlic herb blend and stir until well blended. 4. Spoon or brush a teaspoon herb butter sauce onto each hot biscuit. Serve immediately. Do not eat raw dough. I have a problem with that.
Should probably preheat the oven.
Okay, this is... That's the sauce packet.
Yeah,
Okay,
for
this
the butter
is the
sauce.
biscuit packet. That seems pretty easy.
What to get you?
It's not homemade. I thought it would be more complicated than this, but...
No, it's just... They got all your normal stuff in there already.
Okay. 3/4 cup cold water.
It's 1.5 cups. It's a 4-cup bowl. 3/4 cup would be... 3/4 cup would be about... It'd be about...
Probably
that's
right
perfect.
there.
That's perfect, yeah. That's a big cup.
Let's see if we have the broken whisk back here again. And we do.
Oh, perfect.
Look at that. Do not overmix.
Yeah. We add the cheeses, remember? Just want to add all the cheese.
Okay. 1/2 cup sharp cheddar cheese. We don't have all sharp cheddar. We have Kobe Jack too. It's the same. I'm gonna cut it. Actually, that works. I know I'm making a mess.
It's getting everywhere, Emmy. You know when you use a spoon in.
Could be right.
Wait, I'm right for once? What is this?
Just put that in the sink. You don't need to see that.
Don't need to see that?
Don't need to see that.
Don't need to see it.
I feel like that looks pretty mixed. I mean, there's no water in this. Barely any water. Okay, I'd say that's fine. Let's get a pan, shall we? Ow! Ow!
You alright over there?
No.
Ooh. Oh, that's from the... That isn't your skin, is it? That's from the... That's just a piece of dough.
Yeah. Should probably look this one.
Got any pan spray for that, or are we just gonna let them stick to the pan?
Let's see here. It's probably up in here. Next to Mr. Snowman.
Snowman.
Yes, we have Pam, original. Name brand. Let's come over here. Okay, scoop dough immediately into 8 to 10 portions, about a 1/4 cup each, and place 2 inches apart onto a prepared baking sheet.
Getting your hands dirty?
How else am I supposed to scoop this out?
I don't know. Most exciting way to
It looks so delicious right now.
Does it really? Mm-mm.
No.
I can't
I'm
say I
being
like
sarcastic.
dough. Oh, okay, good.
Obviously.
Because I couldn't eat dough.
No, even a dough lover as me, like me, I would not eat this.
It's just like flour and cheese. And salt, probably. A
A lot of salt.
lot of salt. Those seem a little large. But we'll find out. I have some big ones.
This stuff is very soft, though.
Is it? I'd touch it, but my hands, I'm not dealing with the food. That's on you. It's on you. You do the food.
Oh, my eye just twitched there.
Okay.
Felt it.
Show us what that dough looks like in ball form.
I hope these turn out well.
We'll find out. I guess I'll be finding out because I'll be the one tasting it first.
I mean, we can't eat them right now because we ate those 2 chicken fillets because we were too hungry.
I'll still have one.
We'll still have one? I think I'll still have one too.
Well, we were about to make these and we decided, oh, we should probably eat something.
That's kind of big, but I don't care.
Mondo boy. Oh, maybe they should be bigger. The smaller ones.
I think it's fine.
It doesn't matter. It's 8 to 10, so it can be.
It's not going to look like it's from Red Lobster, I guarantee it.
No.
It's not.
No, it's not. At all. But...
Disclaimer, it's not.
Disclaimer. It's not. Slap that dough. Oh, one went over there.
Okay, so for the next part of this, we're gonna need some butter. So I'll just go look in the fridge. I don't see the butter sticks, but I do see this, which is fantastic.
Butter
I'm surprised we
sculpture.
haven't used it. Or I'm not surprised because it's so pretty. Look at it. It's
But
so pretty.
that looks like a stick of butter right there.
Oh yeah, I'm dumb.
Oh,
Sweet salt cream. It's fine. But it looks like it has, like, soy sauce covering it. That's gross.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Gotta
Okay.
love other people in your house. The funny thing is I didn't film that stick of butter. I filmed another stick of butter, but that's okay. You found the third stick of butter in your fridge.
There was another stick
There's
of butter.
another stick of butter in there.
There's another stick of butter.
Yes, there's another stick of
Oh
butter.
my god. How much butter do we have?
I don't know. See, look on the side of it. It'll tell you how much you need. On the side of the stick. On the side of the stick. We need 1/4 cup.
4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons. Get out a knife. Cut it open.
Gonna grab a little plate.
A bowl. You want a bowl? Get a bowl. Get a bigger bowl. Because we gotta put the sauce in there too.
Oh yes.
Get a bowl.
Grab one of these ceramic fancy green bowls.
Green bowls. You know, you should have cut it before you unwrapped it, but okay.
You know, you live and you learn.
You do. Ain't that right? No, we don't need the whole stick. Remember, we needed 4 tablespoons. That's about 1/3 of the stick.
I was gonna cut it in there, but it's fine.
Cut it.
Here, look.
Okay, I'm trusting
Take a
you.
butter knife. See?
Awesome. Good enough. Good enough.
You know, my mom used to have butter just sitting out on the table.
Well, butter
It's
can
kind
be.
of weird. But...
Butter can be sitting out. Like margarine. Not margarine, butter can be.
No, it was like a stick of butter in one of those fancy containers. What?
That was what was in the fridge, was the stick of butter. So I'm sure y'all just heard that the oven is done preheating. So let's get this. You want to put those in there while we make the butter?
Yes, hold on. I need to put my butter away.
Your butter away. Man, gotta love it. Take that pan out.
And you were like, you're gonna forget that pan.
I did say that, didn't I?
No. Because I put this in here.
I have 2 words for you, Emma. Good job. Good job.
Thank
Did
you.
this happen the last time you cooked too?
No. I've set up the alarm more times than you can probably assume, you know. Still haven't put the biscuits in yet. Hi.
You're good.
That takes a lot of work. Also, I'm short, so, as you can tell. I hope that doesn't do that again, because I'm really sick of that noise.
I think we all are.
Hey, we're back. So Cameron's gonna try the biscuits. How do you feel about this?
They look alright. Oh yeah, and I'd like to. Oh, are you filming?
Yes.
And I'd like to mention that now I'm the star of the show. Which one?
My brother took one, but it's okay.
Which one should I eat? I think the medium size. This
Did
one
you
or
put the butter sauce on them?
They're all butter sauce
Yes.
on them. This one?
Yeah.
I eat that one.
Yeah. It's
Got
closest to you.
Got me my fork. Let's try a bite. Try a bite. They're really crunchy. Let's see how good they come out. Oh, they're really good. A little dry, but they're really good.
That's good. I thought that they were a little bit drier than I expected.
They
but...
came out really good though. They taste good. It's just like I feel like I need a drink of water afterwards. They're good. They're very good. You should try. Maybe actually trying Red Lobster for once.
You don't like seafood though.
Well, I'm sure they have something else for me. Well, I guess as I chow down on this thing, I'd like to say, have a great rest of your year with my friends. And hopefully nothing bad happens with the last 3 weeks. Bye.